Hello friends, today I will be discussing with you all about the divisibility rules for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. You know friends, this divisibility rule is not only required by the students of class 5 and 6, actually it is needed by all of us, including students of all the classes and including all the teachers and everyone. This is very interesting too. If you learn these divisibility rules, it will be easy for you to divide a number very easily. So let's start. Now the first one is how to know if a number is divisible by 2. How will you know that? Now it is very easy, you see. First of all, you have to just select a number. Say the number is say 26, say 30, 28, 34 and so on. Now what is the condition, friends? If to know if a number is divisible by 2 or not, you have to see that in its unit place if the number is all even number or not, including 0. Now this is the unit place 6, this is 0, this is 8, this is 4. Now say if the number is 5, 2, 6, again an even number. If the numbers are like, if in the unit place the number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, you will just know instantly that the number is divisible by 2. I think I am clear to your friends. Now just say, if I give you an example, say 2, 3 and 4. Now is this number divisible by 2? Yeah, it is divisible by 2 because in the units place you are having a even number. Okay, so this is the condition. In the units place it must be an even number. Now a number is divisible by 3. How will you know that a number is divisible by 3? Okay, now for this one, let's take a number, say 150, and you will tell me one more number. Now say 333. It is very easily understood that this one is divisible by 3. Then say let's take a number, say 3, 4, 1, 5, 8, 2 and 1. Okay, now what you have to do, friends, you have to add the numbers. You have to add all these numbers. Now for say this one, it is 150. So if you add, say if you add 150, if you add 1 plus 5 plus 0, if you add this one, what you are getting is 5 plus 1 is equal to 6, right? So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So you know that 6 is a multiple of 3, that is 3 is 2 is 6. Therefore this particular number is divisible by 3. Okay, now say this number, that is 333. Now if you take this number, say 333, it is very easily understood that this can be divided by 3, because if you add it also, what you will get, 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9, and 9 is a multiple of 3. Yes or no? Okay, now let's take this number. Now this number is 3415821. Let's add it. 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 5 plus 8 plus 2 plus 1. 3415821. Let's add it. 4 plus 3, 7, 8, then it's 16, 17, 18, 19 and 24. Okay, 24. Now this number is divisible by 3, right? As you know that 3 into 8 is 24. So this particular number is also divisible by 3. I think I am clear to your friends. Okay, now we will study about the if the number is divisible by 4 or not. Now, a number is divisible by 4 or not. To understand that, what you have to know is, if a number is given, say number is 6, 2, 4, 3, 6. How will you know if this number is divisible by 4 or not? Now, very easy trick this one. What you have to find is the value in the units and the tens place. That means this particular place, it is units and tens. What is the value? It is 36. Now, is 36 divisible by 4? The answer is 4 into 9 is 36. Yes or no? If this unit and tens place is divisible by 4, then this number is divisible by 4. Okay. Now let's take one more example. Say the example is say 9, 4, 2, 4, 0. Now what's in the units and the tens place? It is 40. Is 40 divisible by 4? Yes, it is divisible by 4. So this is also divisible by 4. Okay. Now comes if a number is divisible by 5 or not. Now see, it is very easy and all of you all know that. Say the number is now 60 or 95, 255 or say 250. Whenever a number has 0 or 5 in the unit place, say 0, 5, 5, 5 in its units place, if you have 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. Okay, I think I am clear to you all. Okay. Now, to know if a number is divisible by 6. Now for that, you know the number that you will have. Say the number is 4, 5, 3, 6. Okay, 4, 5, 3, 6. Now the condition for this one is this number, it should be divisible by 2 and also by 3. So this number should be divisible by 2 and 3. Okay. Now see, to know if this particular number, that is 4, 5, 6, is it divisible by 2? What was the condition? The condition was that in the unit place it must be of even number. Now since this is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. Now, is this number divisible by 3? What was the condition? The condition was that you have to add all this number. Say the number was 4 plus 5 plus 3 plus 6. Now if you add it, what you are getting? 4 plus 5 is 9 and 10, 11, 12, then 12, 18 equal to 18. Now is this number divisible by 3? Yeah, 3 plus 6 is 18. Therefore, this number is divisible by 3 also. I think I am clear to your friends. Okay. Okay, now if a number is divisible by 7 or not. Now see, say if I say 28. Is this number divisible by 7? Yes, you all can very easily say it is divisible by 7 because 7 into 7 is a multiple of this one. So it is divisible by 7. 7 is a 4 is 28. Now say if I say 105. 105, is it divisible by 7 or not? How will you know that? For that, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to take this into account, that is in the unit place. What is the number? It is 5. You will just double it, make it 10. Now what you have to do is, you have to subtract this number from the rest. Whatever you have to subtract it. So 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. So this number is divisible by 7. Okay. Now let's take one more number. Let it be, say, 905. Now as I said, what you have to do is you have to double this number, that is in the units place. So if you double it, it is 5 into 2 is equal to 10, and rest of the number is what? 90. 90 minus 10 is equal to 80. This is not a multiple of 7, therefore this number is not divisible by 7. Okay, now comes, and if this number is divisible, if a number is divisible by 8. Now for this one, a number formed by its digit in the hundreds, tens and one places is divisible by 8. Now say if you have a number, say 372 and 552. If you have this number, now as I say that the number formed by its digit in the hundreds, tens and ones place is divisible by 8. This is units place, tens place and hundred place. Now this, you know, if you just divide it, you will know that this number is divisible by 8. So this particular number is divisible by 8. You have to take these three numbers into account, and if you can divide this three number by 8, that means this whole number is divisible by 8. Okay, now comes 9. A number is divisible by 9 or not. So in this case, if the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 9, then the number is divisible by 9. Okay, now say, let's take an example, say 4, 6, 9, 8. Now what I have to do is I have to add it. Plus 9 plus 8. Now if I add this number, what I am getting is, tell me friends, what you are getting? 4 plus 6 is 10, 19 and 8 is 28. Okay, now say if this number is divisible or not. Tell me friends. Oh no, so I'm so sorry, it is not 28, it is 27. Okay, 19, 27. Okay, now is this number divisible by 9? Yeah, this number is divisible by 9. So this whole number is divisible by 9. Okay. Now if a number is divisible by 9 or not, I have taken this number, that is 4, 6, 9, 8. In this case, similarly as 3. Now for this case also, what you have to do, just like in the 3 you have done, you have to add this number 4, 6, 9 and 8. This one I have added and the answer is 27. Now see, 27 is divisible by 9. 9 is 3 is 27. Therefore this number is divisible by 9. Okay. Now if a number is divisible by 10 or not, it is very easy. All of you all know that if any number has 0 in its unit place, it is divisible by 10. Okay. Now comes a number is divisible by 11 or not. Now in this case, you know, you have to do a little sum you have to do. Now let's consider a number, say what the number is, let's just take 1, 2, 3 then 5, 7, 4. What you have to do, you know friends, from unit place you have to start. What you have to take the numbers from unit place, like all the odd number. Now if this is 4, if this one is taken into account, then next is this one, odd number, right? The odd number means from the odd in this number, the number that are in the odd position. Now say I have to take it from the unit digit. Now 4 I have taken, so next is 5, then it is 2. What I will do is I will add this number first. Okay, 4 plus 5 plus 2. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is the answer. This is the odd place. Now you have to take the even one. Even one is 7, 3 and 1. The position I am talking about, not the number. So it is 7 plus 3 plus 1. What is the answer? 11. Okay. Now what you have to do is you have to subtract these two numbers. If you subtract these two numbers and if you find the number is 0, then this number is divisible by 11. And if it is not 0, any other number, and that number is divisible by 11, then also this is divisible by 11. I think friends, I am clear to you all. Hope you all understood this trick, and I think it would be easy for you all. If you think that you have gained anything from this divisibility rule, please give a like and share my video and give a comment too. Thank you all very much for watching the video.